Here's Adler's rocket.
Watch out, Taft. Taft.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. Fast, fast, fast. Fast.
How wet are you getting, Gary?
Yeah, they can only get about 40 pounds of pressure in it, though.
In the little one?
In any of them. That's great.
Hey, Liv, give me Daddy's phone right now. Livy, right now, Daddy's phone.
My phone was...
This instant.
Could I do mine without water?
Sure. Okay, pump Liv. Pump, 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 pump.
Somebody pump this for me!
You need water in it. You need to go put water in your rocket.